I just thought I'd make a quick video to show you the LinkyThinks Descriptionary, Humanoids edition. So as you can see, it's an A3 book. It's all geared towards taking a visual approach to description, basing stories around characters, structuring short, simple, but really effective essays in a fun way. So let me show you inside. The first important double spread is this one, characteristics and accessories. Illustrations of all different body parts and facial features, clothes and items, things that we wear and use to express personality, and little details that you can use to give a character a bit of flair. Then you've got a page teaching you how to balance out imagery in writing. So not using too little description, where the image that you get in your mind is basic and boring. Not using too much, where things start to become overly flowery and complicated and difficult to imagine. But balancing action and detail and dialogue so that you get a really clear image in your mind. And then there's my favorite part of the book, which is all about these character profiles. All of these different characters start off with a personality profile where you have adjectives and verbs, words and phrases that describe each detail. And as you can see, I've tried to put as much gruesome detail into these drawings as possible. And at the bottom of every page, you've got a paragraph that shows you how these phrases can be used. So you've got mythical creatures, you've got realistic people, all different types of humanoids, the teenager, the witch, the robot, the ballerina, all culminating in a descriptive paragraph. Now this is totally optional, but I have cut down the dotted lines so that we can mix and match the different body parts and make some sort of weird, silly Frankenstein creature that may or may not fit beautifully into a story. It's about playing around, then you can make something really weird and interesting. Then you've got pages on motivation, so what does your character want and how does that drive the story? Body language and emotion. A whole section where you can make your own characters. So there's a little kind of ghost of a shape of a character here that your child can use as a template and fill in all of the little spaces with descriptive phrases and then a paragraph at the end. All of the characters from before we fit into short stories, all a page long, and you can see the descriptive paragraph that we pieced together from the character profile has been fit at different points into stories that are entertaining, simple in structure, but really beautifully descriptive. And at the back of the book, you've got a glossary of thousands of words from every page, so that every time you find a word that you don't know, you can go and look it up with a child-friendly definition. Then there's 80 different character-based story titles that a child can use to piece together their own story. So what you've got is a book that connects visual description with verbal description. Thousands of words that become easier to learn, understand, memorize because a child can connect them with what they visually look like. And then how to apply all of that descriptive skill into first sentences, then paragraphs, and then stories. I hope you like it.